$146 per trip, deploying air-conditioned electricity buses along key routes in the capital. This initiative is aligned with government efforts to decrease fuel consumption and assist residents grappling with escalating transportation costs amid the crisis. Starting from March 23rd, 3 routes will run under the scheme. The first route connects Seagirt, Seakai, Talat Sao, or Morning Market, with buses departing every 30 minutes. The second route operates between Tangon and Sapang Muk BRT stations, also at 30 minutes interval.
ข้าพเจ้าก็ส่วนเชิญพี่น้องพ่อแม่ประชาชนเนาะทุกคนเนาะข้าพเจ้าคิดว่าโครงการ BRT ก็เป็นโครงการนึงที่ตอบโจทย์เรื่องในยุคของน้ำมันแพงเนาะก็อยากให้ทุกคนหันเปิดใจลองนำใช้ลองเบิ่งว่าจะเป็นอะไรส่วนตัวข้าพเจ้ารู้สึกว่าประทับใจ
The third route covers Nong Hai roundabout Aitek Pon King BRT station with buses scheduled every hour. 2 more routes will be introduced from March 25th, Laos China Railway Station, Sapang Muk BRT Station, and a route starting from the T intersection near Lao Brewery Company through Dong Kham Sang, That Luang, and Patu Sai to Talat Sao. 2 free trial of the BRT line between Talat Sao and Dong Do, which commenced on March 10th, will continue without charges as part of an earlier policy promoting public transport use. Additionally, the bus initiative forms part of a broader government response to the crisis. On March 20th, the Ministry of Education and Sports adjusts university and college schedules to 3 days a week to curb fuel consumption, encouraging students to cycle or utilize public transport.
มาเนาะเมื่อกี้นี่ไปเวียก4,000เวียกอยู่อันโรงเรียนวิทยาลัยปากประซักแล้วก็อันนี้สิกลับโครงการ SOS ก็โอเคอยู่สะดวกสบายโดย
Following ministerial discussions in Hanoi, Vietnam agreed on the same day to supply 50 million liters of fuel to Laos to help alleviate the shortage. Officials emphasized that these measures collectively aim to diminish dependence on private vehicles, reduce fuel demands, and offer a cleaner, safer commuting options during the ongoing crisis.
นี้